Hello there. The Peter, the patati and the cherry tomatoes, Gary, going very well. Lots of new little. Come here, Dom. Look inside. In the back, there's the. So you can see the little tomato there. They're growing beautiful now, and hopefully they turn nice and red very soon. I just want to talk about one of the love of my life. And everybody said to me, people, when you say love of your life, you're 100% talking about your wife Maria. No, I'm not talking about her. I talk about Pandoro and Panettone, which are my favorite food to eat all year round. What I've done over Christmas, I've stored about maybe 50 Panettone and Pandoro. I don't give them away to people over the time. All these are people always talking about re-gift. Well, I don't give nothing. I don't even gift because they're mine. The Pandoro stay with me. The Panettone stay with me. Even the one with our fruta. Don't worry. You dip that in a bit of coffee. You get the coffee taste. I know it's a bit of crap, but it tastes still good to me. They just make my day. So if you got a Panettone or Pandoro in the house and you're gonna eat it tonight with your cafe, like me tonight, put a cheese to Pandoro and to Panettone. I love it. Thank you very much. Everybody stay refreshed. I'll see you tomorrow.